Danielle Dressel, Ironclad CrossFit, Lesson 7, Class Logistics. For this workout, I am using our actual gym, and I'm using the workout with 3 rounds for time, 75 double unders, 1421 calories on the bike. Oh, that's crooked. I apologize. 5 front squats at 155 to 25, and then 3 rope climbs. So this is a nightmare for our space. So I'm actually going to break this up just slightly differently, but first I'll explain the layout. The black X's are going to be our 3 ropes that are hanging from the center beam. We additionally have these 2 little lion looking things. Those are going to be ropes that we can do zombie pulls with. There is also one over here, but there is too much going on over. There's 2 over there, actually. There's 2 here and 2 here. There's just too much going on. These blue lines are going to be from here up. So these 4 are going to be barbells. These 4 are also going to be barbells. It's a safe distance enough so that when somebody is swinging on the rope, that they're not going to get crushed. We have 7 bikes. So those are going to go inside of our rig. So this is here all the way, and then 2 over here. I'm looking at a class size of 14 people. That's on average my 5 a.m. class size, relatively big. One of our biggest classes. So for this workout, I'm anticipating the double unders to take about 1:30, the bike calories to also take about 1:30. I'm anticipating the 5 front squats to take around 30 seconds-ish. They are going to come from the ground. So you're going to have to clean it up. We can either squat clean or power clean and then get in for that front squat stance. And then I'm anticipating the rope climbs to also take around a minute. With fatigue and grip and everything, I think that that would be closer to that a little bit more than our 1-minute mark. So this is what I have planned. What I'm going to do, what I would do if this workout came up into our gym and if we had a large class option, as we call it, is I would separate the class into 2. And then from there, part of the people are going to start with the double unders and the front squats. And the reason why is because you can double under facing this direction and then turn and do your front squats from the floor. So I'm putting those 2 together also because I anticipate them taking about no more than 2.5 minutes. I could also run this on the 3 if I needed to. There's just a thought that I had, but on the 2.5. While half of the class is doing that, the other half is going to start with the 1521 calories on the bike and then 3 rope climbs. So I understand that I only have 3 actual ropes. This would be something that, especially after a 1521 calorie bike, if you need to go and then I just wait for a couple seconds and then I go and then you go and then I go. Maybe we only do 2. Maybe we hop over here for a zombie pull or hit some ring rows that are located over here because the bikes are in the way. Over here, we do have a couple sets of rings that we can use in this rig over here. When you complete the 75 double unders and the 5 front squats in the 2.5 minutes, if you get rest, fantastic. That's great. If you don't, move on. Like, we have to move on. We're going to run through each 2.5 minute set 3 times, totaling that 3 rounds. So that's how we're trying to keep the intended stimulus. No, it is not in the same order, but when you look at the time domains for the movements and the logistics of the class, this is the best that we have. Other than that, I don't know how else we would run this workout. So, yay!